Hello, I'm Mike Schultz, Fixed Operations Director at Stapp Interstate Toyota, here to talk to you today about why service at a Toyota dealership. The reasons are many, but I'd like to highlight a few. Number one, we use Toyota trained technicians. Our technicians are trained by the Toyota Regional Office both online and in person. Number two, we use genuine Toyota parts. Those genuine Toyota parts are backed by Toyota's warranty and they are designed for your Toyota. People also believe that an independent repair shop is the cheapest alternative. However, sometimes the cheapest alternative is not the best alternative. Please make an appointment online at interstatetoyota.com as soon as possible and get your Toyota in and receive genuine Toyota service for your Toyota. Please keep your Toyota a Toyota.